Okay, if you can see that, it says Avenida do Dr. Francisco Vieira Machado. So we're going to be walking straight down that road right there. It's kind of a like Toyota and Lexus. There's a bunch of car dealerships in this area. So let's go check it out. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so before we go down this street, let's just kind of see what's around here. Got this kind of cool circular-ish building. This is a giant thing. This kind of goes to this bridge. It goes all the way to Taipa. Gas station is over there. Avenida, the 1st of May is over there. Kind of strange green building right there. It's kind of interesting. But we're gonna walk down this street. Just kind of see what it is. Big giant parking garage there. You got some dealerships here. There's like a Toyota dealership. Overpass. Yeah, actually this whole area, there's a bunch of car dealerships over there. And we're just gonna explore a little bit, see what we can see. This is an area I don't usually go to. A little bit loud, eh? But I saw a bunch of cars here. Lamborghini was over there, all kinds of stuff. I don't know if we'll walk by it or not, but we'll walk down the street anyways and just kind of see what we can see. Okay, it's a school right there. Travessa dos Doca dos Handalacios. Okay. St. Paul's Church, eh? Is that a church? Looks like it's a regular building. I guess it's a church. It's like a parking lot. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down here. There's kind of industrial building, so you can see stuff like that. It definitely has, there's apartments there, but this building says industrial. This one's a school. I think there's kids at school now. This is a very industrial looking building, isn't it? It says edifício is building in Portuguese, the word building, industrial, and then ocean, the 1st of something. Place. Let's keep on walking. Yeah, looks like school just got out for some kids. Yeah, very industrial. I don't know, we'll see which way we should go. Hopefully if we can follow the same street, we'll just follow it and just keep going down. Let's see what else is around here. It's like a little alley right in here. Yeah, it's an alley. So you got just some bunch of shops. It's like probably like a parking, probably residential, maybe office building, probably residential. Dim sum. So let's just keep on walking down the street and we'll see where this one goes. See if it's still the same school, same street. I think it's going to be a different one. Yeah, it's a different one. This is called the School of Nova de Era Preta. So yeah, this street's a totally different street. So I think what we'll do is, I don't want to get the streets all messed up, but at least you kind of get an idea of something else around here. Of course I could keep walking down there where there's more motors, more cars, stuff like that. So that would be the street that we would be walking down if we continue down that one. Golden Dragon Automobile. It's all automobile factories and things like that. So I think what we'll do instead is kind of conclude here by the school, and maybe we'll just walk down this thing and just kind of see what this is all about. Spicy, tasty. So at least you got a little taste of this street. Look at those. It's like apartments up there, but they're like really small little windows. Okay. You got some grocery stores, frozen food superstore. And it looks like it's gonna end here in a minute. So I think we'll end it right here ourselves as well. Okay.
minha.